India's first platform for stores and restaurants with 60 minutes grocery delivery. Margins. It has got three different apps: Margins customer app, Margins merchant app, and Margins delivery app. I want to start with each of this app and walk you through the different options. Okay, now let's start with Margins customer app. I'm going to open Margins customer app and enter my mobile number to log in. Once I enter my mobile number, I'll be prompted to verify the OTP which I received on the entered mobile number. So I'm entering a mobile OTP to validate myself. Once I land in the app, I will have two options. One, I can choose to deliver to my own location or a store, or I can opt for a self pickup. If I opt for a self pickup, I have to go pick up from the store or the warehouse, right? So I'm going to start with the deliver to location and choose one of these location as my delivery address. So once I land in this home page, we can see there's a red tape on top, red banner, which says Kirana stores, hotels, businesses, click here to register for wholesale prices. So as soon as I land on this page, I'll be prompted with the B2C pricing. That means anybody who logs into this app first will see B2C pricing. Let's say if I own a restaurant or a store, I can click on the red tape and register myself as a business. So I'm just entering my store details. I'm just entering, I don't have a GST, some random number, test site, test city, and state. I'm going to select the salesman as self-registration because no salesman came to me to recommend this app. Once I click on enter all those details, I can wait for the Margins customer care to approve my B2B request. So somebody from Margins backend team is going to verify if I'm a valid B2B customer and approve the request. Okay, so I'm going to log into the backend from my computer and approve this particular customer as a B2B. Okay, I just approved this customer from the backend as a B2B. And now if I click on refresh or a home page, a refresh button, so the top Kirana stores hotel business banner will go away and I will see a new pricing list as a B2B customer. Okay. Let's say I'm going to order something now. Let's say I'm going to order something in vegetables. I need vegetables for my store in next 30 to 40 minutes. So I can just choose something to order. Let's say 2 quantity, and I will just say probably the 50 kg bag. I will say 2. So my total amount is 2297. Click on view cart and choose the checkout. Either I can choose the express delivery, which is available 24/7, or the slotted delivery. All right. So let's say today I need the delivery between 8 to 9 a.m. or I need the delivery in next 37 minutes. So that's the distance from the warehouse to deliver. Right. So in 37 minutes, I'm going to get my delivery. So let me just validate my PIN code. All right. So here I have options to either choose cash on delivery, UPI, or use some of the amount I have in my wallet. and the difference amount 829 has to be paid through one of the other mode. So let me just use the cash on delivery for now and place an order. So the order is placed. I will have an option to refer my friends. I will click on later and my order is placed. As soon as the order is placed, I get an option or I get a message in WhatsApp with the delivery details. I also get a banner on the bottom of this app showing what time it will be delivered. All right. So it says 37 minutes is my delivery time, right? Okay, I'm going to just go back to the merchant app and see this order. As a merchant, where margins will give a franchisee for the merchants. So I will open the merchant app and see my order. Okay. Test is the order name, customer name. 2296 is the amount. I'm going to enter the B2B customer. I'm going to click on accept all, but before that, and assign myself or whoever is the packer as the packing personnel, so that in case of any issues, we know who packed this particular order. So I'm going to accept all the items in the order. Once the items are accepted, it will go for another round of quality check and quantity check. So the quality check and quantity check personnel is going to verify each of these order items, if it's packed properly, if the quantity is right, and if the quality is tested or passed, then it will go for the packing. So once the items are packed, it will be assigned to a delivery boy. So let's say this is the order and I want to assign a delivery boy, right? So I'm going to assign to a delivery boy called Manikanta, right? And the order is assigned. So now as a delivery boy, I'm going to go to the delivery boy app, login to see my order. So let's wait until my order get loaded. Okay, I'm going to just click on the new orders which I received as a delivery boy and click on accept to accept the order to be delivered. So once the order is accepted, customer also gets a notification saying your order has been accepted and dispatched. Okay. So here I can select the order. If it's multiple orders, I can select, click on select and select multiple orders, or just, select an individual order, click on track. So this will take me to the list of status and an option to start. So once I click on start, I will get an option to navigate to the map. If I say yes, navigate to the map, then it will take me to the Google Maps. Because my location is right across the street, so it may show you just 1 minute. Okay, so it's fetching the route for me. Yeah, it's just 1 minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say yes, it's arrived, and I'll just close this app and go back to delivery boy app. All right, I'll just say arrived, and now I get an option to verify the items on click of view items, or just say deliver, but the delivery image need to be uploaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the delivery image. Okay, I just clicked a picture of the item, the random item to be delivered, and click on deliver. So I have to collect an amount now because it's a cash on delivery. So I will just say yes, I collected the amount. and the order is delivered. The customer will get a message saying your order has been delivered successfully. So once the order is delivered, the delivery boy will go back to the merchant, or he will continue to deliver rest of the orders in his queue. So once he go to the merchant will open his merchant app, click on amount settlement, where merchant can view the amounts to be settled by the delivery boys. Let's say here is one order. Let's say this is the order which I have to make the payment. 2296 is the payment. So as a merchant, I'm going to say, hey, yes, I collected the amount, and enter the passcode, which is particularly meant only for my collection. So the amount is collected and it is deducted from the delivery boy app. That's it. So a happy customer and a happy merchant. Order is delivered within 37 minutes. Right. Thank you. That's all how the margins works.